Give us a little bit more information about your journey here in the fabrication industry, who you are, and what you guys do.
Well, in a sense, we're kind of a young company. You know, we started in 2017. We've been coming to FAB Tech every year, and that has really helped us in our growth. And going forward, I mean, we're faced with challenges just like everybody else is in the world. And fortunately for us, we've been primarily selling in the U.S. We're just starting to export. We've only sold a couple of machines in Canada, a couple of machines in Mexico, and it's coming at a bad time with the tariffs. But what we're trying to do is quote our machines based on going to their brokers to the designation spot that they're going to be importing from and letting them deal with the tariffs, only because we don't know how to measure the tariffs. That keeps changing in percentage-wise, so therefore it's better to just cut that at that point and let the customer work with that, because unfortunately they're the ones that are challenged with that and not us.
But what type of things are you seeing from an AI perspective that are impacting manufacturing?
Well, you know, from a manufacturing standpoint, I think we're all kind of we need to step up to the plate and be able to apply everything to make our own products better. One of the things that we're doing on our machines is we're actually, all the electronics that controls the machine, we're putting that in a control enclosure, and they all are with quick disconnects. We're doing that, and customers are really liking that, because, you know, this way if there's a failure in the field, we just ship them a box and not a body. And that way, you know, they ship us their box, and we're able to repair it in-house. So we're trying to address all of those kind of needs beforehand.
What type of things are you guys doing at your company, or have you seen out there in the industry, maybe one of your customers is doing, that you're like, you know, that you've seen that has been successful?
Well, the talent that we have, we're definitely trying to keep, and we're introducing bonus programs. A lot of times it's not about the money, it's more about the opportunity and having them feel good with their jobs.
When you look at, we talked a little bit about artificial intelligence as a tool already. Are you guys making any investments in technology within your company, the things you're producing in machinery or in software to help you guys run more efficiently?
We're taking a very hard look at our electronics and trying to simplify it as much as possible without sacrificing any capabilities. Making it as simple as possible, just it streamlines the machine itself and also the failures. So we're constantly looking at that. We have a new electrical engineer that we brought on board that's going to specialize on that. I have a couple others that have been helping me as well, and that's one of the focuses that we have right now, making those changes. You know, without FAB Tech, I mean, we could go to other shows, we could play with the internet and everything, but it's not where you have all your customers really coming to see what's new.